It's actually time for sound check, so I'm going for my sound check from my hotel lobby. We're moving right now. Ooh. Yeah. Hey Ron, you left me here, man.
Yeah, man. I never came downstairs.
This guy left me here again.
You never came downstairs, man. I've been down here since 1:50. He was nowhere down here.
Yeah, he left me. Okay, let's go down. Nice. Yeah, this the guy who left me. His name is Ron.
Man.
From, what's the place you came from again?
Ohio.
Oh, you came from Ohio.
You got to be on time, man.
No, the guy left me here. He said I wasn't on time.
Superstars late.
I wasn't actually given the time. I was told to come
Yeah.
down. I didn't see anybody again.
Nah, yeah,
How you doing, man?
I'm good, man.
Yes,
Nice
my
to meet
friend. His name is Ron.
going on?
Fantastic vocalist. All the way from USA.
you. Ohio, USA.
Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Mundo mixing Yamaha. Oh, show them. Take it again. Okay. My guy, just a minute. Yeah. This is the hall for the concert. It's a massive hall. We are getting ready for the concert with a sing-out mass choir.